Hello, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm very excited to be partnering with Craspire. Craspire, if you don't know about them, they're an online crafting store and they have an amazing selection of products ranging from paper crafting products like clear stamps and thin metal dies to molds for soap making, candle making, resin crafting, and also other things to go along with those crafts. And what really intrigued me is their variety of wax seal stamps. They have the largest variety I've ever seen. Pretty much if you can imagine it, they have a wax seal stamp for it. And as someone who is getting into doing wax seals, I was really intrigued by that. So when they contacted me asking if I would like to choose a few products to share with people on my channel, I said of course I would love to. So this is the package that they sent me, and I'm excited to open it and share with you what I'm going to be playing with. The first thing I pulled out is this sealing wax set. It's got a lot of great colors in it. Let me go ahead and open it up off camera so that we can take a look inside. So as you can see, this has a variety of metallic colors in it, as well as some solid colors. Love this color. That is so pretty. I love this soft butter yellow as well. That'll be really fun for Easter and spring, and this is beautiful as well. I just thought the colors were gorgeous in this set, and I'm excited to use them to make some wax seals. Speaking of wax seals, I selected two different ones. The first one is this fantastic rocket ship. It's got some stars, Saturn. It's just, I love it so much. I have a son who is an aerospace engineer, and so I like to do space-themed birthday cards and things like that for him. So I thought this would be a lot of fun for making those and adding to his envelope to seal it. The second one is this skier, and as you can see, it's very detailed. It's got some pine trees and snowflakes and this downhill skier in action. I also have a son who is into skiing, and both of my sons have winter birthdays, and so that was my inspiration for getting these. I think that they're just going to be a lot of fun to use on their birthday cards. For embellishing the wax seals, I got this set of metallic colored pens. Look at all those fabulous colors. This way you can highlight the raised detail on the wax seals, and it really makes them pop. So I'm super excited to work with these. And the last thing I chose was this set of thin metal dies. You know I love my paper crafting, and I love to make albums, and these reminded me of book plates that you would normally find like in metal. So my plan is to cut these frame pieces out of different metallic papers, and then use the inside labels to customize my albums, and I just personalize it. I just thought that these were really, really cool, and I love the stitched embossed detail on these and just the different shapes. So excited to work with these as well. Thank you so much, Craspire, for sending these products free of charge for my review. I'm very excited to play with them and to share my creations with all of you. I will be doing both project shares and tutorials, so look forward to those coming up very soon. Craspire was very generous and gave me a coupon code for you guys to use, and I'll link that in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!